Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the problems of continuity. In this question, we have to see whether the given function is continuous or not at the indicated points. The question is f of x is equal to sine of x minus cos x, comma, x not equal to 0 is equal to minus 1, comma, x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. So in this question, we have to discuss whether the given function f of x is continuous or not at the indicated points x equal to 0. Now here the solution is quite simple. Let's see the solution. First of all, we start with given. F of x is equal to minus 1, comma, x equal to 0. It means whenever x we have to put 0. So the next step will be f of 0 is equal to minus 1. Say equation number 1. The next step is limit x tends to 0 f of x. It means x not equal to 0, and for x not equal to 0, f of x is defined as sine of x minus cos x. That equal to, now whenever x we have to substitute 0, so the next step will be sine of 0 minus cos of 0. That equal to, now from trigo table, sine 0 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1. So it means here we get limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to minus 1. Let us this denote as a equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we conclude that limit x tends to 0 f of x is equal to f of 0. And therefore the function fx is continuous at point x equal to 0. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.